There are different types of maintenance that organizations use to increase the uptime of their assets and utility of their facilities. To understand which types of maintenance to implement, you must know which types you're currently using and what your maintenance goals are. You must also have a grasp of your available budget and resources. It's rare for an organization to use a single type of maintenance, so here's a quick overview of the different types and how they interact. We can divide maintenance types into 3 different classifications: proactive, reactive, and other. Proactive maintenance makes it possible to perform maintenance only when necessary, based on gathered data. This can include preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, scheduled maintenance, planned maintenance, and routine maintenance. Reactive maintenance refers to repairs that are done when equipment has already broken down, in order to restore the equipment to its normal operating condition. Different types of reactive maintenance include emergency maintenance and corrective maintenance. Other types of maintenance include deferred maintenance, when repairs and inspections are put into a backlog due to limited budget and resources, and total productive maintenance, which aims to improve employee satisfaction and overall morale in the workplace. Optimize your maintenance today. Invite your whole team. Access core features. UpKeep.